news. Senegal rejects CAF decision to strip Afcon 2025 title. The government of Senegal has strongly condemned the decision by the CAF appeals jury to strip the national team of its 2025 Africa Cup of Nations Afcon title and award it to Morocco. In an official statement released on March 18, 2026, in Senegal described the ruling as unprecedented and of exceptional gravity, arguing that it violates the core principles of sporting integrity, including fairness, loyalty, and respect for results achieved on the field. The government insists that the original match result was obtained in full compliance with the rules of the game and therefore should not be overturned by what it called a manifestly erroneous interpretation of regulations. Officials warned that such a move undermines CAF's credibility and risks eroding public trust in African football institutions. Senegal firmly rejected what it termed as an unjust disposition of its title, emphasizing that administrative decision should not erase sporting merit and excellence demonstrated during the tournament. In response to the ruling, the government has called for an independent international investigation into suspected corruption within CAF's leadership structures. Authorities also confirmed that Senegal will pursue all available legal avenues, including taking the matter to international judicial bodies to ensure justice is served and the primacy of sporting results is restored. Additionally, the government expressed solidarity with the Senegalese citizens currently detained in Morocco following incidents linked to the Afcon final. It assured the public that efforts are underway to secure their well-being and a swift resolution to this situation. Senegal reaffirmed its commitment to defending the right of national team and preserving the integrity and honor of African football. If Senegal opts for higher body, it could reach CAS, that's Court of Arbitration for Sport.